Good afternoon, guys. I am going to get my license today. Hopefully I don't fail again, because that would be like horrible. I am bringing little Missy with me. Yes, because Brandon's here, right? Yeah. And Daddy can't watch all three of you guys. No, he can barely even watch one of you guys. I'm just kidding. While I was editing this video, I realized that I did not mention anything else about my license. So I thought I would just come on, put this clip in here telling you guys exactly like what happened and everything. So I passed. I got my G1, which just means that I can drive in the car with somebody who has their full license for more than 4 years. So basically, like my parents, none of my friends have their license for more than 4 years. So like that's basically just what it means. It's not really my license. When I get my G2, then I'll be able to drive a car by myself or with anybody in the passenger seat or whatever. So I'll be like, I have my full license and I can get that anytime. I just need to book it when I feel comfortable and ready, and then I can get that. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to say about that situation. I'll put another clip near the end of the video as well, because there's something else that I need to explain. So yeah. Are you driving? What are you doing? Are you driving? Good morning, guys. We are at the Santa Claus parade, and I love this one because it's during the day, so we don't have to be super cold because during the day it's warmer. Caden and my mom just went to go set up the chairs, and Aria's over here getting into everything that's in the car. Everything. She really wants these drinks. She's grabbed the straw a couple times. Yeah. No. No, don't eat those. Stop, 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 stop. Oh, shit. It's so weird because
you're not back home.
Yes, I used to live here, and you did too. Yeah. Yes. Every time I come here, it just feels like I never left. Is that weird? It's weird, but it feels like I never left. Just home. Did you enjoy the parade? He's eating a bunch of candy because he got tons. They kept giving him candy. Skittles. And this little monkey got a bunch of candy too. Yeah, but you're not gonna eat it. No. You want out? She's really tired. She got grumpy near the end. Little Cruz is outside. Hi, Cruz. Hey. My dad and sisters are actually on their way home. They went a couple of hours away to get a new puppy, and her name is Havana. She's so cute. I saw her pictures, and they're gonna be home soon, and I'm really excited to see her. Hello again, guys. I forgot to show you guys the little puppy Havana when she got home. Like, I totally didn't film anything after that, and I really wanted to show you guys her. So I asked my sister yesterday to send me some video clips of her, and she sent me them. So these are clips of Havana, and they're so cute, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I also wanted to mention that my sister runs this Instagram page for both Cruz and Havana, and it's the cutest pictures ever, so you guys definitely go follow that Instagram account and show some love, because those dogs are stinking cute, that's for sure. And yeah, Aria's getting into the freaking cat food over there, so I gotta go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, and I really gotta go.